Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Now they say the best things come in teeny tiny small packages. With this Abreva topical use cream for cold sores, this is legit. I never get cold sores, so now I have experienced getting cold sores. They were stress related, and man, was I upset. I am so thankful I was able to rely on this tiny tube. So good. It did not sting or burn when I used it, at which I am so grateful of, because the mouth, the skin around the lips and everything too can be a very sensitive area. I wanted to get my face looking back to normal. I am so happy that I used this. It worked fast and it was easy. I used it very little, super sparingly, and it worked and it packed a punch. I loved this. It squeezes out of the tiny tube, but also there's plenty in here. So the fact that you only need like a pinhead size is awesome, because I know that I'll have this now at home, and if I get a cold sore again, stress or otherwise, I know it'll be taken care of with this Abreva. I am thrilled. You will be too. It's perfect to have on hand. But that's my point of view.